Well, we just keep having problem after problem. First it was the air conditioner, now it's the water heater. So there's a crack underneath, so the maintenance man had to like come and vacuum that out. And he's got a water hose connected. And it goes all the way to our living room and outside, draining out all that water. He said he's gonna have to get us another water heater. But like I said, like a couple of months ago, first it was like we were having problems with the air condition, and then they had to replace that, and then the AC kept freezing up, and then the water would come out of there, and there was water everywhere, and they had to come and fix that and suck up all that water. And now our water heater's acting up. We're just not having any luck. So I'm just waiting for him to come back, and he said he's going to try to get us a water heater, so we'll see what happens.